Welcome to Handyworks. I'm Shannon. This is the first part of our kitchen remodel, is removing the old dishwasher. This dishwasher is broke and we have a new one in the box. So first thing we're going to do is remove the old one. Okay, now we're going to get to the electrical part. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go check and make sure my breaker to the dishwasher is off. If you don't know where your breaker is, you probably should call someone to do this professionally, because you don't want to get hurt. So I'm going to go make sure that my breaker to my dishwasher is off at my electric panel. And it's a good thing I did check this, because it does show that the dishwasher is on. I'm going to turn that off. A lot of dishwashers have a front kick plate down here. Part of ours is missing, but I do have this piece. I did forget to take it off, so I can't pull the dishwasher out until I take it off, because I can't get in to unhook. So we're going to remove it. Right here is our water shutoff. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. The thing that I've noticed as I've gotten under here, I did have all of our pipes sealed for mice and stuff. I have seen where they have chewed through what was here, and they did get into my cabinet. I am going to do a video on that, because I am going to remedy this again. A lot of times with these discharge pipes, they have them going up like this. Sometimes they're fed through the cabinet up here. Ours actually comes in at the bottom, but we have this put in so that if the sink, the kitchen sink, ever backs up, it doesn't back up into your dishwasher. So you want it to go up higher than the pipe that goes out. So I'm going to remove this screw that goes into this electrical, where the electric's hooked up. And there is where the electric is hooked up. Now I did double check to make sure that the electric was off. So it is. So now we have our electrical wires. I'm going to remove these and unscrew the ground wire. Let's see, it should come off. Yep, I have to completely take it off. I might have to. Alright, to remove the dishwasher, there are brackets that come out of the dishwasher right here. I am going to find the right tip. Mine takes a Phillips screwdriver, so I am just going to remove the screws that are screwed into the top of the countertop. Obviously when we get new countertops, this is going to be different. But you can see that opened it up. The dishwasher wasn't pulling out, and I realized it's because I forgot to unhook the actual place where the water comes in. So I am going to turn this and get it unhooked. Let me see here. How does that come off? Okay, so right here I am removing this fresh water line. I did have to get some muscle in here because I had a hard time getting it started, but now it's coming right off.
All right, now that is off. So the water is unhooked, the electrical is unhooked, and the drainage pipe is unhooked because it's right here. So now we're going to pull it out, and it should come out a lot easier. Most dishwashers do have an adjustment down here for the legs. I did not have to adjust it. My dishwasher is just pulling out. Okay, now that the water is hooked, the electric and discharge, we can easily pull the dishwasher out. So I'm going to put the new one in.